So welcome back to KSET previous year papers question and solutions classes. So here today we will discuss KSET 2014 paper with part 3. So the question is like this: the Newton-Raphson formula is given by. So these are the options: xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f dash of xn divided by f of xn, and option B is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn, and these are f of xn divided by f dash of xn. So these two are not a solution. The little bit confusion is in these two steps, but the correct option is B. The formula used to get the Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method is used to find the root of a given equation. So that is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. This f dash of xn means differentiation of the given function. For example, if suppose this is x square minus 25 is our f of x. So f of xn means we have to choose a initial guess, and that is our f of xn. If you substitute that initial guess, and the obtained answer is f of xn. And f dash of f of xn means if you differentiate this function, you will get 2x. So that you have to substitute here. Okay, and xn is the initial guess we are chosen. That initial guess must be very nearer to the 0. You have to choose that type of a solution. Okay, so option B is correct. And next question is question number 2. So this question is framed from the concept of Simpson 1 by third rule. The question is like this: the value of the integration varies from -1 to +1 e power x dx using Simpson 1 by third rule is, the options is like this: A 4.86305, 2.36205, and option C is 6.46505, and D is 5.84405. See, here they are not given any intervals. So if the intervals is not given, so then it's better to go through the formula integral -1 to 1 e power x dx. It's just like integration a to b f of x dx. Next, so therefore, see, the formula here used to calculate is integration a to b f of x dx is equal to h by 3 into f of a plus f of a plus b by 2 plus f of b. Okay, so then, so how to calculate this h? H is equal to limits by of. It's limits by of. So that is limit of first limit b is like a to b. B is 1 minus a is minus into minus plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So h is 1 divided by 3 into f of a. So that is f of 1 plus f of a plus b by 2. So f of 1 minus 1 by 2 plus f of 1. Okay, so then if you substitute all these values, so then we will get, which is equal to 1 by 3 into f of 1. So the function is f of x is equal to e power x. So f of 1 means e power 1. E power 1 plus f of 1 minus 1 by 2, f of 0. So that means e power 0 plus f of b. So f of a is minus 1, e power minus 1 plus f of b is e power 1. So this formula is 4 into f of a. So 4 should multiply 4 which is equal to 1 by 3 into e power minus 1. So e power minus 1 is 0.3678 plus 4 into e power 0 is 1 plus e power 1 is 2.71828. So if you substitute all this, then you will get 1 by 3 into 7.08608. So after calculating this, you will get 2.3620. So this is option B. Option B is correct. Okay. So this is the question number 3 in 2014 paper. So the question based on trapezoidal rule. Error in the trapezoidal formula of the order of h square, h cube, h power 4. So option number C is correct. That means up to third order we can easily get a solution by using trapezoidal. Trapezoidal method is generally used to get area under the given curve. And question number 4 is based on tensors. So which of the following is not a tensor? Velocity, mass, acceleration and gradient of a scalar field. Actually the gradient of a scalar field is also a tensor. So option C is correct. The mass is a scalar. It's not a tensor. So question number 5 is also based on numerical analysis. Let f of f0, f1, f2 up to fn are known values of the function. F of x at the points x0, x1, x2 up to xn. The first divided differential between the s and the xt is, the options is like this. So here you can easily guess. So the trick is, see, if the numerator and denominator is in the same order, if it is t, if it is also t, if it is s, if it is also s, so then that is the correct option. See here the two are different. Here t, s, in the denominator s and t, it's reverse, so it's not an option. Next here option B, s and t is there, and in the denominator t and s is there, so this is not the correct option. Here st, st, both numerator and denominators are same, the coefficients, so then this is the correct option. You should remember like this. And this is question number 6, which is based on again numerical analysis. So the question is like this: which interpolation formula does not give any information regarding any error? So which committed during approximation. Actually, so Newton Grigori backward differential interpolation and forward difference interpolation, and also this Gauss formula difference is all, this all gives an error, which gives the information about the error, but this Lagrangian interpolation does not gives any or does not mention any about the error. Okay, so option number A is correct. Lagrangian interpolation does not give any information regarding any error. Okay, but we can get the solution by using Lagrangian interpolation even the order is missing. If any parameter is missing in the equation, we can get the solution. So this question is based from the group theory. So relation between two finite groups in many to one mapping, then it is called, for many to one mapping, it gives information about homomorphic relation. Option number B is correct. Okay.